Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. Compliment of the season. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I come up with these masks that will help you to lighten up your skin and also fight against wrinkles and fine lines. These masks will make you look brighter and younger than your age. So if you want to learn how I come up with it, keep watching. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is pure organic gram flour. Gram flour contains certain properties that treat acne such as zinc, and secondly, it helps to control excessive sebum production in the skin and soothes inflamed skin. So gram flour is very good. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of gram flour. It also helps to exfoliate the skin and take away dead skin cells from the skin. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is coffee. Coffee contains anti-aging benefits. It reduces inflammation, clears out dark cycles and also sunburn. It also treats acne and gets rid of blackhead and reduces cellulite in the skin. Coffee is a life changer and it also exfoliates the skin and brightens the skin. I'll be using just a teaspoon of coffee. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is yogurt. I'll be using Greek organic yogurt for this recipe. Yogurt helps to lock in moisture in the skin. It also brightens the skin and increases the elasticity of the skin. It reduces fine lines and the wrinkles, fights acne and other skin problems. So yogurt is very good. It also has lactic acid in it, which will help your skin to look younger and fight against wrinkles. Okay, so yogurt is very good. I will be using approximately 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and you want to mix that very well. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is rose water. Rose water can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne, and the anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. I will be using 2 teaspoons of rose water for this recipe, and you want to mix that very well. Rose water is very good. When you sprinkle rose water on a clean face, it will help you to hydrate your skin. So rose water is very good to incorporate in this mask. You want to mix that very well. The next ingredient that we're going to be using for this recipe is honey. I will be using approximately a teaspoon of honey for this recipe. Honey helps to balance the bacteria on the skin. It also helps to get rid of acne. It smoothens the skin and also helps to heal the skin. So honey is very good. It heals the skin and it will give your skin that glow. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is lemon juice. Lemons provide a dose of free radical fighting antioxidant vitamin C, which help to keep skin even toned. It also contains citric acid, which will help in lightening dark spots. And it also activates your pores to close up, resulting to smooth skin. So lemon is very good for your skin. I will be pressing out approximately half a teaspoon of lemon juice to this recipe. After that, you want to give it a proper stir in order for all the ingredients to mix well together. So now I'll be transferring the mask to my sterilized airtight container that I can use to store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. You can use this mask on your skin every day for 7 days, and I will advise that you apply this mask on your skin in the night before you go to bed, and you will see the best results. This mask will really help you to look younger, will brighten up your skin and get rid of wrinkles and acne. So guys, I have the mask over here. I just finished washing my face. Before you apply this mask, you have to wash your face, okay? You have to wash your face first before applying this mask in order for the mask to work well. You don't want to apply this mask on a dirty skin, okay? You have to wash your face very well before applying this mask. So this is our mask. What you have to do is to use your hand. You can actually use your hand to apply it, because I love using my hand to apply this mask in order for me to exfoliate my skin. As I'm applying the mask, I'm also exfoliating my skin, but you can choose to use a brush to apply it if you want. So I'll be applying it on a circular motion. I always advise, when you are using natural products, it's very good to allow it to sit on your skin for as long as you want. The least that you can apply natural or products on your skin is 30 minutes in order for it to work well, okay? So guys, I just finished washing off my mask now. I just finished taking my bath, and this is how my skin is looking like. My skin feels tighter, and I see that it looks brighter too. Yeah, it looks brighter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this awesome video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.